That's why Brahms is so lit, bro. Whoa! Ow. Alright guys, we're going into Brahms. Bravo 6 going dark. Alright. How do you rate the Brahms?
Oh, what?
How was the Brahms?
Dude, as you can see, there is nothing left. We demolished this shit so good. And now, we're gonna get some ice cream. Right after I dude, Sean's ass.
Listen, you guys, he didn't actually. We're chilling.
Can I see myself?
Yeah.
That's cool as shit.
Yeah, this one's a lot better than the where'd you get that? TikTok.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, man.
Is that like a real brand or is it like off-brand?
It might be off-brand. I'm not sure.
It kind of looks like off-brand.
It feels off-brand. It doesn't have that same weight that a camcorder should have, but it's still pretty good.
You're just gonna have to see what the quality is like.